In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the chat panel in Base44. If you're working inside Base44 and you know there's a chat feature but you're not seeing it on your screen, this quick walkthrough will help you bring it up right away. I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're new to the interface. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and that you're on the main dashboard view. The dashboard is usually the starting point where you see your main projects, analytics, or whatever has been set up for your account. Take a moment to let the page load fully, because some icons only appear once everything is ready. Now look towards the top or the side of your dashboard, depending on how your layout is configured. You should see a label or tab that says Dashboard. Right beside the word Dashboard, there will be a small icon. This icon is what you'll use to reveal the chat panel. It may look like a speech bubble, a panel icon, or a small symbol that stands out from the rest of the text. Move your mouse towards that area and hover over the icon next to Dashboard. If you're unsure you found the right one, pause for a second and see if a tooltip or small label appears when you hover. Often, Base44 will show a hint, such as Show Chat or Open Panel, which can reassure you that you're in the right place. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct icon, go ahead and click it. With a single click, the chat panel should slide into view, usually from the right-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a new section appear where you can see previous messages, start a new conversation, or interact with support or teammates, depending on how your Base44 environment is set up. If nothing happens when